how to remove port 53 issue from the Evilginx. Let me show you. So if I do ls right now, if I do /Evilginx, can you see it is saying that failed to start the name server on port 53. Okay, so that's what we are going to solve in this video. So can you see it is saying loading fishlets from this and loading configuration from this. So we need to copy this configuration path and exit from this one. Now the command is nano and paste that particular path and add slash and say config.json and hit enter button. And now here can you see there is a 153 port available right here, DNS port 53. Instead of 53 you need to add two zeros right here, 5300, or you can add any available port. Once you do that, save the file and start the Evilginx one more time, and this time it will not show that port 53 issue, right? So yeah, this is how you solve it.